In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to design a very simple invitation card. Now, as a beginner, these are the things you start with. So, I'm going to be teaching you how to do a simple design before going to the hardcore design proper. So, once you enter your Canva environment, this is what you will see. You can see search your content on Canva or Canvas. So, what you do, how to get started is you click on this plus button to get started. What is our samples? We'll talk about these ones later. These are samples that you can edit. So we are going to be designing from scratch. So in this tutorial, I will design from scratch. So you click on this plus button. All right. You can see that we have different options here. You want a YouTube thumbnail, you can do that. So what I need now is I need a background. I need a background. So this is what I do. Okay. Okay. I don't like what I'm seeing here. So I guess I'll just take something else. So let me just search from here. Get a background from here. You click on this background, that will give you a different background. Let me pick this one. Okay, you can see the way it is. It's very cool. It's not that fine, but we'll manage it. I have to manage it. All right. I can also change the color here. Can reduce this. Okay. All right. It's okay like this. We just manage it, or we can change this later if you don't like it. So what I will do now is I need to add my text. So I click on this that plus sign button. So I'll click on text. So I'll add my text here. So click on this add a text box. So that's what you do. In order for you to edit it, you click on it. So it will come up now. Don't mind my network, it's very slow. Alright, let me write it's my birthday. Alright, I want to expand this. Alright, so I'll bring it onto the top. Okay, instead of me to write another one because it's like I'm wasting time now. I will just click on duplicate. So alright, um, I just want to be centralized. Alright, so I'll add another font. So here I'll go with this one. You can see that most of the font are in Pro version. This my Canva has been upgraded to Pro version. I can help you do that. We'll talk about that later as the tutorial goes on. So you have to. I want to delete this one because I don't need it. So this one I will edit this one. Okay. Yeah, this birthday. Okay. I'm going to change the color. You can see the color here. I need black. Right, I need that one. So that is that. I need to get rid of these. You can see that I can delete from here. So I'll delete that one. You see this plus sign that is here. If I click on it, I will duplicate it. So I will do that now. Click on it. You can see that it has been duplicated. So I can reduce it by hitting from the corner side. I can reduce it from here. So I'm going to click on that. I want to edit it. Okay, the best way is to double click. Okay, okay, let me write party here. Birthday party. All right. Okay. So that my network is very slow. That's why I'm finding it difficult here. Uh, so pick your color from here. You can pick any color of your choice. So mind you, this is just an introduction to know how to use fonts. So you cancel it. You can click on this X button to go back. You can go down and increase it. You can increase it. Okay. All right. All right. Let me add something else. Um, let me add test box. Then as you are all invited. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the font. This is my you are all invited. I can see duplicate here. This button you are seeing right here, this delete button, the one at the middle, the one at this first side, this plus sign button you are seeing that this first sign button is to duplicate. If I click on it now, you see I'll duplicate it. It has become true. Understand? So I will delete it now. I see that I've deleted. So this one at the middle, I have already deleted, I can't duplicate. So because that's the background, let me click on the font. So you see the difference. Okay. All right. All right. So I'm going to pick a font now that I'm going to use for it. Let me just use this one. That'll be okay. Okay, I think I'll just leave it like this. Just increase the size, that's all. All right. Then I'll have to duplicate this and bring this one down. Instead of writing it again, just duplicate it, bring this one down. Then click on it in order to edit. So I'll write 11 June, let's say, let me say 2022. Here's the time, 30 p.m. Then I want you to be, this is a place. All right, let me use capital letter here. Uh, yeah, all right, beginning. Right, this place is close to me. As I'm using it, you can use it if you want. So mind you, this design just to teach you how to use fonts. That's what we are doing now, and how to change colors and increase, make it green. So okay, okay, let me change something here. Okay, all right, I think it's better this way. Far better. Okay, now we're almost done with this stuff. So I want to. Okay, I would love to add something to it. Let me make this one Buddha. I want to increase this one. That's too big. Push it down. I can also change this one color. I think I would prefer, let's check red. Alright, I prefer red color for this. Okay, so we're almost good to go. Okay, what I want to do now, I want to add frame to it. Okay, I will just come here. So I'll write frame here. So into you search, you will see them. Uh-oh. Oh. Supposed to come to, okay, sorry, that's my mistake. You can see I'm currently on font, this test. So I was searching frame from test, which is supposed to come to elements. Okay, look at frame here. My network is really, really bad. So just give it time, the frame will load up. Maybe your case just be faster. So I need frame line. Um, okay, all right. Okay, these are not what I'm looking for. Okay, let me just take this one. For teaching purpose, let me take this one. It doesn't suit what we are designing, but let me just take it. Okay. Oh, look upward, man. But that is that. That is that. It looks very, very, very rough. Very, very. Alright, let's try and see if we can. Okay, I'm trying to see if I can add any. I want to see if I can, make the font look visible. Or let's just make it bold. I think that will help. It's already okay. Let's just make the font bold so that it will stand out. Alright. So I will still want to increase this. Okay. Let me try something else here. Let me change the color to something else. These are palettes of color you can pick from. Let me take this one. Oh, very bad. Take this one. The page is a little bit close. So, alright, this is the end of this tutorial. Just to show you how to use fonts, how to place them, and it's a little trick you can do with fonts. So, in our next class, we are going to be learning how to design a complementary card, and there are other designs that we're going to learn. And along the line, I'm going to show you how to a lot of things on navigation bar. So, once you are done with this, what you do, you can save it by clicking on this download button. So, it's a save image. You can see the way it's taking time to build up. Alright, it says save to gallery. You can cancel that now. So your work is already saved. So bye for now. In our next tutorial, I'm going to be looking at more designs. Thank you for watching.